New York and L.A. are teaming up to change the world. The Bi-Coastal Fleet Accord is officially here, and the streets will never be the same. We are ranking the 10 most revolutionary shifts coming to these mega cities. Get ready as we count down from 10 to 1. Let's go. Coming in at number 10, the Proterra ZX5 electric bus. NYC is pushing for 400,000 EVs by 2030, and these quiet giants lead the public charge. With massive range and zero tailpipe emissions, these buses are cleaning up the city air one block at a time. Transit is finally evolving. Number 9. The Ford F-150 Lightning. Both NYC and L.A. are swapping gas-guzzling work trucks for this electric powerhouse to handle the heavy lifting. It delivers massive torque and can even power a job site. This isn't just a truck, it's a mobile power plant for the city. Coming in at number 8. The Rivian R1T. This beast is being tested for utility fleets that need to go off-road without leaving a footprint. With incredible speed and tech, it's the luxury workhorse the Fleet Accord needs for specialized tasks. But wait, the next one will surprise you. Number 7 is the Tesla Model 3. City patrol units are going electric to save thousands in fuel and maintenance costs every single year. Lower operating costs mean more money for the community. The math is simple and the performance is unbeatable for rapid urban response. Number 6 is a big one, the Lion Electric Lion C. NYC plans to electrify its entire school bus fleet by 2035 to protect our kids. Replacing diesel fumes with clean air for students is a top priority. This move is literally changing the health of future generations. At number 5, the Mack LR electric garbage truck. Garbage day just got a whole lot quieter in New York and L.A. neighborhoods. It's powerful, efficient, and silent. No more early morning wake-up calls from roaring diesel engines. This is pure urban bliss. We are entering the top 4. The items left on this list are about to redefine how we think about infrastructure forever. Number 4 is our controversial pick, the Bollinger B4. It's rugged, boxy, and designed strictly for heavy-duty municipal work. No frills, just power. Some say it's too industrial, but L.A. loves its modular design. It can be a delivery van, a flatbed, or an emergency vehicle. Coming in at number 3, the Freightliner EM2. This is the king of medium-duty delivery, perfect for the Bi-Coastal Accord's logistics goals. The EM2 proves that commercial fleets don't need oil to keep the economy moving. It's the backbone of the new zero-emission supply chain. Number 2. The Chevrolet Silverado EV. This is the almost perfect fleet vehicle. It combines 400 miles of range with insane utility features. With its massive battery, it can act as a mobile generator during city blackouts. It's a literal lifesaver for New York City emergency fleets. Get ready. We are moments away from the number 1 most important move in the entire Bi-Coastal Fleet Accord. This changes everything. Number 1. The Integrated Bi-Coastal Charging Network and Parking Transformation. NYC is removing 100 parking spots to build the charging grid of the future. This isn't just about vehicles. It's about the infrastructure. Without these hubs, the 400,000 EVs promised by 2030 would just be expensive paperweights. The Accord ensures both cities share data and infrastructure plans. By scaling together, they drive down costs for the entire world to follow. This network is the undeniable champion because it enables every other vehicle on this list to exist and thrive in a dense urban environment. Imagine a city without engine noise or exhaust. That is the goal of the Bi-Coastal Fleet Accord, and it starts with this network. This partnership is a blueprint for every other city in America. If they can make it work here, they can make it work anywhere. We've seen the trucks, the buses, and the incredible tech behind the scenes. The era of fossil fuel fleets is officially coming to an end. With 2035 as the target for full school bus electrification, the clock is ticking, and the momentum is absolutely unstoppable right now. The Bi-Coastal Accord proves that when the 2 biggest cities unite, the entire industry moves. This is the future of American transportation. From the Proterra bus to the massive charging network, these are the tools building a cleaner, quieter, and better version of our world. Do you agree with our list? Is the charging network really the most important move, or should it be the school buses? Drop your number 1 pick in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more viral fleet rankings. See you next time.